Hi everyone, and thanks for watching. Today we're looking at a 2016 Honda Accord. We're going to check the wheel size and see if we can find out how much air goes in this tire. And also, this is how you find out your tire size. You see this series of numbers right here? 225, 45, R19. So basically it's saying that it's a 19-inch rim that's on this tire. So if you ever damage your rim or if you want to get some different rims for your car, that's how you can tell. We're going to go by this series of numbers right there. Also, to be able to tell the size of your tire and how much air goes in your tire, we're going to go on the inside of the car. Oops, let me open it up real quick. There's my key. Okay, so it's open, and you see the sticker that's right here. It says tire and loading information. So the size of the tire is going to be the 235 40 R19. And then the air that goes in the tire, it's telling you that it's recommended for 33 PSI for the front. If you have this size tire, if it's a 230, or 32 PSI if you have this size tire. So that's how you can tell. So really you need to put 32 to 33 PSI air in your tire. That's it. Thanks for watching.